Yeah, Joli Tutual, il a TV qui n'est matene con an la dir de ben et qui mateng jui no atika kelobotu lok ma per tek ni o mer kaka unge donc tine ini bi penyu wi ni utika lok ngo ana bi keli chichot eto ma fut pe wachera nyim ana meti a wachu ni watika bedo makilwoni Forest Hill man tie kawunu nge anyadwe machan matinonge isiti megulu donc wan watika kany kun lok ma watika lok ne kinero matini watawne per tek to tua wan wange wuno ni biashara ma watitimne gulu ka ini pian waneno biashara ma duong dong tika tuba waneno dano ma duong tika loro biashara ma megi waneno kake mapapat ene dong tika bino i biashara i kumal ma Uganda ka kany waneno kala pa Eritreans dong tika bino yini yang chan na wange gi char gang gilo biashara kumbido Ethiopians Eritreans, Somalians, dong gitie duata. Megwa biashara watika tu atoya. Gia ngo matika weko biashara watika tu. Ne chalo tingage money ma wan pa wangeyo matini la warani bikonyo wa me kwallo munge ene weko wan beno wange. Weko chake nyego. Afoyo titwa.
Afoyo.
Itini ni.
Afoyo.
Neni mieto twal.
Afoyo. Yela. Na para yela ke page.
Afoyo ma epia waje nyelo tuwa. Nen wan en mawuno nen watika nen ma nen wa mieto twal enini. Joma rogo wa enobero de Jimmy's man ka kama ini no ya bonge ma bejo madong loya ikiku malo me Uganda bonge ma pedak ke cherke wara ke kamo er bonge mat dege ka biro wa bori manoke yubu original matima tek maka ini wilo bene ingeni no oloto mwaka biyech mano putba ti maleng dak bene no pier tek to twali ini ngeni ka enini ene kama bonge ma bejo tie ana foye ma tek
Ana foyo bana.
Afoye Irjini
Anti mabe.
Nene met.
Afoyo mater.
Ana tawni tien wa nyak loke. Yeah.
Ana foyo.
Afoye.
Ana foyo mater. You want to follow la Kwet TV.
Yeah.
An yak lona okelo Jimmy Miles na nying mati ke ngo ID. Makere ke tiako ke joka we ikumukala kumuke ko ya kumakwa ko ID.
Yes.
Abala no nyeti okelo Ismail so part muke anna kubudo do.
Okay, ngolo eso. Tio ke Miles.
Tio ke Miles.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very well. Ikien ma biashara. Waneno dano tika to. Joma dong gudong mer manana ene no mo ko chocher ge pigiti cher mer ken dano dong.
Yeah, that's true.
You know nying mo ko mayang wangeu la chan matwa la chan kwete wangeu kono nying mo ko chalo kaber mo ko kanamo mo ko mano gitiki nying me paju wangeu ti biachara mo ko dukan madon mo ko warehouse mano gitie mukene inono tie kakama ke charie accessories mogo me chim nyogwa ki electrical appliances mogo bakubi dong gitega tuwo beri chale watching ngej mane wano pe kede
lokana ga lokada with my little experience ma ana bere ga biachara
okay
ngoma ana ngeyo jo chana ma bere jo machon
yakar
so duong ngo bere jo ma gucha ko kerwana cha ko kedne ngeu mo so biachara me cha from down joka jo cha wini ko cha ko ne cha ta motara cha ta kibiriti anga sample la cha motara
which is good
cha magadi me ke kana para private ngo so now jona anne o kamo na charo take belong tie they have made it also nyual ba churu ma beje school ma tiota school ma bejo so wete tek ngo ba o kamo gana wi wit poko be ka mental tiota mege.
Oh yes.
So o kamo cha ke no ngi chala ko nyoni things have changed. Chino ka pe no mirango. Ka no pe grooming armo. Dong da ko tek. Cha ke no ma ko chiara ko dong you cannot be flexible. And me actually they are greedy people. They don't trust easily.
Yeah.
Now instead of like gano ngarmo wat ini kubi dire ma ka ini peron de kan actually ngo take over. Gine ne pe kan. Yeah, and we're now checking the channel joke take and then naturally customer care while actually pong. In fact, we are while actually pong. So we are not after the bad patchouli.
Yes.
We are trying to look for solution. More team at least or one more team and because we are not
Kakara.
what wrong.
Wanak were census statistics we pechwawa. Nyuruni wanak to try to
like ka becha kwa logo ye chalo gulu within Gulu ka any within Gulu city don't want knock but chara because ka in every street man in wara polong lo kan ya jo aka chan actually ko and jo chan do pe polong mo kan ko kan say no to but due to other pe mo kan ga ka ka no ko o go no da ka chira chaka mo kan char ka mo o is a town jal kit gum gong ngin so challenge gano part yeah so ngoma arange mere pole down of ba group me lo tiano gi and in business even Kampala most of biacha take a door because jone chane when latina kwa na sere catch me chara bode ka wile weng catch chara ka we no tiano pa jone ani kenyale pop chaka door from that shop ani ko o stage me kenyo gak ke gang mano made ba gwa kana ba ko chaka kwa no primary gi at least every weekend you find them there at the shop so that is how they always learn. And ko bere chada joke team dong I buy things from them kada chada wano chara wako ga I will gi o mena cha churu ngaro mena cha de joke in school gi no yano do ino kan lo tira ma cha kana no
mano gi don
yeah mano gi don so now that is how you can groom someone because ka in annual pede wa ko tino cha to ga gang o to chala ga school iwe gi no mi in make sure tino bi no kan weekends we make sure tino bi no kan because ka ibere ka no gi o ka be ro mano in cha ke mi ro kongi they cannot do anything. And yet in a year mi rebel kango ka leading gen in a mire ka gana ka tiro ka share school pap make sure be do kan ana travel Kampala do kan do chi o tiano kana kar kamo do kan do chi o weekend in the pub kili program ite to make sure cha do kan iti you ki joke matikon because now that's the only way you are trying to give them responsibility ka gin ka in cha ka do gene wiki gen ge dong ya teni gine en dire manya mozo batanya cha kili pota nya cha mozo meta at least gine ma meta nyim so ngio geno ma timo kenan gen mo bane war o gen nyure war in way war pe lanyo the only reason we now cha ken o tiano ken balle you work o kuno gen we aliali ko o kono gi do chomere kan ko o do kane do chomere ko yo to na 50 mo ko bar chano ko ra ga no kar chano so tiano chara kan na ma BJS gi ara password gi ngwa gi ba ka ine cha training and from day one kiri bere kwali with a plan ngati ne this our ngom ene gen mama mo de dongangwa mo ze chule gene ene ko me ko chule gene in army pa lan ba ka ine wa en lipa liba ke chele o e no ke chele ba pe cha nyoto direction from day one ene wa tena ba la ko cha ken
me o kele wi histoire ma winene la ten pa ngat mo achel ma bene ober ka yele kirlok me giwat e ko mal me Uganda ka kanya la tene kado o cha mano en ki wai dan cher ka namoni mogo cher ma bajo tiu ne achel lolo gwar ge weng pian baj be no pati achel ke baj ti dumata so gwar chena e ne weng fudong gi cher ka namo joma ka namo kerge anyera mogo madong gi bere table en dong wichal desire zenda ge nganga ge joma do kite class madama
maka bil bo karabil do ben tam so million piare da
mogo winyi piare der piare ngwan piare bil mogo in a day no ena chena magati ga chole gang namo so lokini ka kenyo ana tigi moke en piano story en dano ngeyo bena
mone en be kon ngawaj me wiye mone kenyo tie ka pa to alongo nye latini tiwe kamera but now chaka ke ma blame lo teacher but latini anni okay la moze na ga be dama dire an ga train no tiana yuma biara cha ga yuma biara cha at least ko tiana dige yo be wa tiana ba tik kam enti so latini mera every time ko donye said yung bon moze na gen kama chara be chana tie said bon moze na chana tie but ngana tini timo at least every day to ko kwanya 250 200 150 so in a month in ka ngara japate gwara le miaro every month I mean every day in a month that around 6 million because he wants to miaro keeping standard and I wait pangate because one cannot give you that money you know by the way you in northern Uganda to be honest we don't have rich kids we just have what because lo nyora maka enne.
Maybe we have show of kids.
Yeah, like we don't have a show of kids. We just have people married. They just try to force life.
Yeah.
Because ko chera Kampala kuja. Inge kuja jene kuodwo.
Yeah.
Down lo you want part.
Yeah.
Jene kuodwo we just tell ka chaka ko o ka chera school way. Pocket money chere kwan bundle achel kenge ga chana tin chara kwan wo bundle ario an chaka mo bundle of dollars gi 50 gi ngoge na tin chara school mo 50 million as pocket money no itiri kera ba chera mo ke pin na pa pier yo gene no chera school high school ngana we so ka ene lo maka ene pole pogo bara mio that gene krotian and of course tell down you cannot be giving a lot of money clatian.
Absolutely.
So we have na tiana kono chance ma keep ne ai gang donyo ene no Kampala ko wala chera ma don era miro chera do e kan na ba era pelare wonna pe ngegi nande and of course jona chara pe kwala won ge wanya ache kwan because do ata o kara u pack ngal ko na ko na so e chera kwan jo cha ko wacho a cha kwan chana mi kala tiana because that's a lifestyle on down kede so ka en no tiana we also try to do tiana para nyo ken no en mi e tem kamba no bana ba don no gubote cha kan pelare ka e chera do mi ra only way ke chera chare e guro en miaro piaro every day or 50 every day ka do to me pamne e go me dana de man yang man mo but in the end could gina cha kan go de ko lo teach am cha kan kai no ka mer ka in da wonna teno ke mer ko ma tin ka ku but you still defining that kids and you know gonna be ko to cha kan mer I lokere way gina timne bal wari am ngar ko man because of gina in wata wana ngata timne ara ka ni timne am no be ko ke makaret and but the choge chalo nyoro ka in police ai covering ko so that ka in covering ne pam ngati po joko
Barang po be yope
ya ka in discipline ko inyim lo teach be o en ikena kem dano bero luwo ni yang nak ngiu kira dong so next time ba wo gina ne pramon wena so gina ga tete meken pin magera kira ba ken latine wax e nyebe biya chara mi cha ko chon pe cha yes by time cha ko do exposed to igang kwan ge ke jemo ken gene no ngiu kata wono wera fonye kere kala men bara fonye kere to in business ka ina cha ko later we are shala bolle ko be chane pan yang kono right kono be iton ka en la dieti every evening after chare no go ri na nyime every evening you chuk tenyo dunga dana ngelo kan an
okay
but now cha ka ni penyo wi ngomo time ko be chare atmozeni kiyo ko non an lo tine be tieba chi penyo wi mozen lo tino ba chat wa ko nyeke chat ngo gri okay ti ngo pa maran yang do dira ma chana pike ye wunyo temple tiano ke that is also another challenge juma chane pike ye wunyo temple tiano ke ko tiano cha ko lo new ideas gen pe ye gi meti me ke chana chala ko nyo cha in terms of jota chala la dira chara ba so and of course the chara ente bung ma chon cha pa me was go ngagen not just was about at the bul ma chon chan no ko nyoni so ko nyoni wax donc in maintaining that standard and at least me bet ke fresh mind
exactly
na la dir ko chana dir na on ne passe ma tuati me ngena ene wore ba beto kan ko cha kan pe yewni la xawana min la xawore so na ko ber cha do kan ta da en ga to ber ko no so cha ka pe nyoti ka cha to ngo ade temme so in terms of Jim and gara kara waje kene la ka kuya na po legi cha ko chon and chalol money kenyo ti abaro chon ma pa cha ko chero wo apenyo abara penyo katina ne because the age around 27 but the guy is driving Benz. Not just this ordinary Benz man around the kid I can call him the kid because he's around 25 27 otiro pan chon so motiro pan at least every time that konyo wana chat so at some point and boss saving channel in this own way then one channel mete channel so nyiro cha hawilo cha share China at some point atagwa mongo tika voila because I don't see him posting okay ngoma da realize ko nyene no lokoma ba no timo all sale man tabi do make tipo pinga pinga ma lo posting they are not into social media but ka posting or their lifestyle content share wa ngo there are few people matim grane which is not also bad so mara lo okay why share every month alors a week ago
every month
every month
wow
how do you do it because even I'm not share but I'm not taking a bag because I like almost 3.5 to 4 million just it dig tere and then the fact they kono kuja be bo full China bo full about 15 to 18 hours period so ngara flying every month itimo kining why and is a ticket Ethiopian airline so don't give me at 2.5 give me a good rate at 2.5 so look at ticket and paper no I come bon so jemo kay dongo bugeta kele because cha kelo jemi more within 1 week, not to more.
Oh, wow.
More within 2 weeks, not to more.
Wow.
Naraway.
Wow.
So now, Guinea bene kela bana ene loka chele. Cha kene one by came out like style donc kong ne gikbek style la kong do. Cha wen kan into mak bas ichar Kampala. Mak bas ichar Kampala. Because to be honest, charam pa chara chana madir. And kana wachi jo watika winya. Achara ke chere lon.
Wow.
Adu makuma ko.
Wow.
Tena ba ko bana chilo ko ngaya. Chibe pato. You are a wool war for the Baracholo. They a wool war before the Rajago. Could you dig? You're kidding. I am digger. Actually, what you catch out. So, it's not about the corner, chulo air ticket with a terre. Kono, you are able gonna, you are a gonna will a terre. It's just about Ningo, or match it in Wang Chuni. Mokta Melko, I want to move from point A
to point B. Yeah.
Or from B to C. Because in picture come no. It rogak the same the same operation ATN because there are Paul and Kampala traveling in all styles. A char money me a con the war. E o Kampala con char wana pa. E o char wana pa very bas in every basket. In fact traveling a basket and after now pang you travel Kampala. And not for Kampala bo. Foot palmering all these years.
And no palmering him at 12.
Palmering you from the chow. So I can buzz the war. O char pa. If you any bas no. You could chon. Char ano gar pal waka. Cause the pan no part war gini anda. Ana out the pasel waka kon e run. Mo ara ti machara joy la. Ka joy la no breakfast. Che pak. Che do ngo a ke pak ta chara ko o chara ya de kini jël ta ya ko kan. A chara ka wil. I chara ka wil lo cha ngi for the bas ne all lo ko.
No, all.
So by the time in chara ka wil no your mind is not actually settled.
Yeah.
I all loco. I yar jim cha ke mo ki watch kom. I ron no ngara mo all offloading. We will car shell and yet in with your car the camera gonna be the shell you can get different varieties of things yes because can our car shell because they all local you know after will can cha lock car adduction so you end up will a car you can ke will a car you can show to moko e mako yo madugo chane bas mo mako bas cha biara bor en e o kanye de wu ke o de wu me the next day chak teach no be free all loco.
No free all, yes.
We are come no get for lare. Why no ada katimo atemo mo me di ko chon cha chiel. No bas me kenyo kono gulu ko no a cha chiel ka ya po chon. Ngani mai ke cha pario. Why ana cha pario bi cha chiel. Me o mo kan para cha chiel. Kono yu ka wan kenyo jam mo ko kenyo. Mo o ka wembe kenyo no jam ta full. So cha ken ke by cha ba chiel da. Era free mo ko yo because of jam. I o ka wembe kenyo cha biero. And most of my o ka wempe low ko amaka boda.
Yeah.
So ka ana share return. Remember dong ko cha bi chela biro. You have only like 3 hours ma will. And nge will bon it's something mark po me ro.
Pero
ka ne ro in pub de will menga kan dong. Na ro. So ka take 3 hours again. I share sha ko wara ken pen kono. Because nga te by cha pa shell me be the bus. O cha pa rio. No ka pe me ai bus te ka no bus me de wono pe matiati. Pol bas na marge kon wacho pa ya chari ya da ngwan kanyo so ana mera o ngo by cha par chira par yo so I will mo wait for only 3 hours I do watch him and I temo I know football all o ka mo anda ga la ko stela gine ba kom an chana ba an wa yele pe an wak yo kala nyim mo ana ti ba la ko stela ka a o tiono a chara no hotel a burro the next day ana te fresh a marcha hotel a waka ko a chara ka wil ka cha ngwana digiri so a chara I take my time to buy things ka we will la wen a mo cha ngwan a pa maka no we all la vera burro ko ka chana fumo ka donga burro ko that day ane I will the next day ka cha ko dugu because I know this other state and we are not better teach at most of them even up to now that's what they're doing ke bas the war very bas no all better variety ne ko ngogene Cheroka will take a do next day. They have been doing this for many years. And I time again no gano ngaya. Kaya ko arang pinya anak kuya pin. Ngiyon lonya gara lonya type lawe kay peke dio. Lawe dio to cha ka ita be. Because kom ene be kom mamwa mera ine gwa ka ine men dia ngo make sure ne kumingo tima be bana. Because ka ine all ko tete the same style cha ka ne po be in the end ine no I do gonna do it from in.
Yeah.
So ana gi ko teach ana ko but joke and still maintaining up to now. So a chera ko nyini ano hotel o gwak chona chera ga ga rama gi a chera ko bala wara ma buru ko no the next day a chera hotel I mean a chera ka will.
Yeah.
I make sure na a chera ka will ma we are fresh.
Okay.
Ka chera no dong bana paro ne ka o sha pa ka no protection ne paro ne. Like I no hotel a buru ko the next day I make a will I do chen. Because ka come you'll come back with something in your tin at least it will get more. I tell me this other style put you. Now this style I know but I teach, which I teach here. That's why now I shall maintain a camera. Can I add a lock and lock a will? Chera walk again. Chera walk. A charo marne. Chunya or water year since 2016. In 2016, I remember I think approaching Abraham Fute Young Prime Complex, paying the football chair Ghana City. We take a branch of money for the food. That's this main shop. I think approaching and no shaka will watch I drop a give it a kind of corner.
Yeah.
So I think approaching and I watch China and Kayupa and we are connecting and so in 2016, I never kind of be a child for me. No for me, but then the dream was there coming. So immediately share. But then no check any channel and then kit chat makan bena check it on and off.
Yeah, it's true.
And then the quality will down a bit of complaining will it take but now you're looking at doing bigger things.
Yeah.
But then Joka any. In fact, at that time, man, the Kiriba ticket share could not go.
Yeah.
Because my client based on football matter.
Yeah.
In that way, matter or traveling work, market Jimmy they can support within 1 month. They no more channel. Yeah. So I was just trying to understand. What should I do? I check a corner. I bet it's Ladi. So I'm gonna watch a well on and then the other people. In fact, I put you down from 2016 up to 2018.
Yeah.
I mean up to 2019.
Okay.
Moro o no kone pap a job penyo down. What I will do. I'm not going to yupe. O daga 2020. Daga daga penyo nyemo ko nyewa ya yemba. Deba penyo wara. Karo ino shene calling an wachira nongire agara visa wako akup yen wachira bag ngara mi visa ingam visa ko chak kuni fak kada mi wachira wa be chak you start by paying for your visa. Okay, get the visa. Visa always for me for 3 months. Kai me visa for 3 months. That means you have about 3 months to raise money. Kiribe no chak any pay enough money, at least you'll be having some pressure ngati at least chak chulu pay money. So me don't want you know to more don't pay get koyo. So get your channel for visa on a pap. That is when you're going to get more morale. Matim the next one. So ka visa on a pap pay for air tickets. Ka air tickets you need pap now. That's the remaining month for the China. Look for the capital. Machaka will. And that's what I did. Okay. And now channel I should look a visa. No me last year. Do my beer aboard. But new Rio visa. I think last year China was a bit complicated. The embassy probably a year me visa. In fact, I will share quota. Okay. It's around $7,000. Okay. That's almost like 30 more. I mean 20 more. Million. Yeah. So doing like government official, but I share okay. Get out in beers. But down. Man, share with in terms of million. Me a bit share or me share because there will million PR or PR beginning. You cannot pay 25 million. You cannot for air ticket. You cannot. So doing a dark batch share. Chida ononga visa last year. I mean ononga visa last year do a pario. And I share on you pay down. Mono visa ne pap. I make sure do my chill. I should have visa. I should have air ticket. Or air ticket I should do my chill. So by the time I do my owner, my air ticket was ready. That's right. So by the time I know everything was actually set to. Keeping down chera walk about about ngam in local care. Because it won't adana makuja, Joma Anaba with Bargani, you are yerni, chera kuja need a lot of money. Yeah. At first, I better buying the idea. That's why I really pick up a share. So China Major, why you put it? Non million PR there or $10,000 or charan. You can no even if 5,000, even if 7,000 you can get, maybe 25 or 20 you can get and go. Start with what you have. So just why no get all the money like 30. But now by the time you charge you channel, but now I can pay you out. You don't know a good or million PR or no one of one like what you get or time you get or like I'm going to do. So what type of tap or business in a watch here. So the only way I can know me or conquer either a yearly conquering ding very long. That's why I'm here in the channel alone. because I'm not saving that money. I don't ngayako.
Yeah.
So the only way I'd have to do shortcut for me to get there. So now I know that I have to save because like the priority has changed. Okay. Now maybe I'll start to limit, or I'm trying to limit, not to eyes on the price. So when you're checking when you get my email channel, when you pay don't divert it many
Absolutely.
So joke away no older money than you go. Joke away that yamba. Kai anyway doing lock a damage on the channel, get whatever money you can get and go. Because my share is about first of all it's about your air tickets and then Kafuro. You take a channel and it's okay. Even if you're left with only 5 million a bitch earning, you don't want to get me share and I don't work air tickets, so I don't work a channel. You okay can refund your expense. But I'm not gonna make you feel I'm gonna tea channel my dear, but no work expense on me. Now that's where I started to get the courage. I'm like, okay, can't tea channel my tea, they might work expense on mega. That was okay because first of all, I'm young. How is the market that side? Because NAA will give it more morale to even to start the saving again to make it easy for me.
Absolutely.
But then kapati makamara berote. And then ngomara otime era after mara looking at me ngaro chao me ale proper direction.
Okay.
Even what I need my way economy to quite do best on and brought me a courage because can even when you look at down 10 to paper chair. But to be honest, China Matidi from 10 million can take you to China.
Wow.
And that is the money America when you're down from last year. And I mean from 2016. You are 10 million no, 15 cannot take you. You first buy things within Kampala. So when you can raise 25, 30, then you can go. And yet in 2016 or 2018, China ain't long.
Yeah.
But then a quarrel until because I like I no can go watch again me a quarrel until this time around I'm like okay I know I'll start with what I have.
Yeah.
No air ticket, no visa, and no channel accommodation and channel cham that's what I did. Chama in a chair can't channel $2 million PR.
Okay.
Can't do $1 million PR.
Wow.
And come under the Jim Madu, can I watch it down? They'll be surprised.
Wow.
I think for about around 8 to 9 million.
Wow.
Man will I will. Now will only I carry kgs ma do carry digger around 60 kgs. But 49 kgs. And more down na mero bien ke digger but will la berote.
Okay.
But like 90 kgs. Now 90 kgs they are charging me around 3.8. Well, being kidding, no tax on tea.
Okay.
So, I'm young and I do remember I got alone. No, look at like a long ram of Comia Chul. I do it actually 3.8 per so, I think I wait at you on KP, KC. She don't look at any Jomacago who I yell them up, and they don't ask you any money. They don't ask you the money. So, Mara, I will through cargo, where Kimia receipt. My new manager Caronia indicating. Number again kgs. And the cash coach see the pay kgs and you like CBM like the space we're going to
yeah.
Yes.
Manure pimer part
kilogram. So I'm and then go give a contacting and when things are about to reach they will contact me or Mombasa. Give a contacting and so Kampala back when near Bana. So Madam Gembo or Mombasa go contacting and uri about gamma 10 Jimana around 1 month and 2 weeks. But or Kampala thing within 1 month.
Okay.
From Mombasa or Kampala from China or within 1 month. So Mao or which I had receipt pay my payment, my shipment. The charges was $42. That was roughly